Come open the door, man. What you mean? Oh, why am I holding this door? I said, hell no. Don't cuss me out. I'm vlogging, and it's on camera that you cussing me out and being mean to me. Hey guys, so I just got back from Walmart. We got some veggies. I forgot the veggies at Dollar General, which they don't sell them, so I had to go get some. We're gonna grill. I guess I could get it ready. But are you quiet now because I'm vlogging? Ooh, I feel like someone just heard me say that. Ooh, I'm ashamed. Time for my zero. Almost going. Cooper, you want the ball? Bring me the ball. Get the ball. Gosh, that thing's ugly. What even is that? Make it go away. Let's burn it. Well, I think the grill's safe now. The fire underneath went out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I don't really do this, so I guess we just cover it up now, right? Just put the cover on it, and let it sit. Okay, we'll be back. Come on, boys. Alright, so first, we're gonna season the steaks. I really don't know how to open this cheap shit. Oh, cut myself. Supposedly this tenderizes it. You bathe it in the salt, rub it around, rub it around, rub it around. We're gonna let this sit. For veggies, we have asparagus, onion, green pepper, and some dill. And now, we snap. Wait, should be the other way, right? Alright, asparagus is snapped. Let's cut our onion first. I am aware that this is not a veggie knife. Don't come for me. I don't know where my veggie knife is. So we're going to cut that off, cut this away.
How are we going to cut this? I guess we can just, we don't need rings, right? We'll just cut it in half. So cut in half, peel that off, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of all that, just all this side. And then, let's do this. Yeah, a veggie knife would be so much better. This knife is terrible for this. Oh my god, terrible. Really need some thick onions. Okay, they'll cook, right? They'll cook, right? They'll cook, right?
Alright, Miss Green Pepper here already has a little bit of mold under her, so let's hope for the best. Ew, how can we cut that out? That's fucking gross. Wow, way to pick 'em, Kaden. Way to go, Kato. Let's rinse that off. Be sure.
Okay, I don't know how to cut these for real, I really don't know how to cut these at all. I used to, but I haven't practiced. Does it take practice? I'm gonna cut my finger off. Okay, so now we have the bell pepper.
I feel like that's way too much onion. We're gonna take some of the good parts of the dill. Some of it was not so good. I don't know how to use dill, so we're just gonna use it. We're gonna get some more of that cheap aluminum foil we love. So I guess we're gonna put some onion in first. We gotta put a glob of butter. Okay, now we're gonna put our asparagus. Wait, let's put some dill underneath. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. I hope this fits on the grill. Is this gonna cook right? Is this going to cook right? We shall see. Let's put a little bit of salt for flavor. We're gonna put some... Oh, got it. Okay. Accente. Accent. 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 Let's put a little bit of minced garlic. We're gonna use garlic powder, because I forgot the actual garlic. So let's just make up for that in garlic salt. I mean, not salt, garlic powder. If you're not like garlic salt, this is garlic powder. And some black pepper. Yummy! And somehow we're gonna wrap this up in the foil. Oh, I gotta put more butter in it. Oh no, I didn't put enough butter in it. Oh no. She's open. Wow, she was already open. Let's get some butter. Alright, we're gonna put some more butter on top. We're gonna put a lot of butter because I really want this to be good. I don't want it to stick together. Alright, sis. Alright, there she is. Next, moving on. Alright, now we have our steak. Don't worry guys, the salt was just rinsed off. So, we're gonna add a little bit more salt. We're gonna flip that bad boy over. Oh yeah, put some more on. My camera's about to die, so I gotta hurry. Do some Lowry seasoning, black pepper. Gotta have the garlic powder. Put a little bit of No Name dry rub on there. Let's rub that in. Yeah, that's gonna be real good. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Yeah, that's gonna be so good. Oh my god. Now, I guess we can just take this, fold this over, put our pocket right here, and we can take the tray out just like this. Come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Okay. I got these stuff ready. We're gonna walk out to the grill while my camera slash phone has a little bit of a charge. Here is the meat and the veggies. Coming through, beat coming through. Oh, but don't get dark out here. Oh. Wow. I really don't know how to grill. Whoa! I just don't know what to do. Do I leave it open or do I close it? Do I let it just sit like this? It seems to be doing better with the lid off. So we're gonna let it sit like that for a minute. We'll come back. This is what it looks like now. Seems legit to me, right? I mean, it's white. So we're gonna set our veggies to one side as planned. Okay, maybe we should like put it like this. I'm scared, I don't wanna ruin our steaks. Okay, we're gonna take, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Like that, I think. Oh, I need a thingy. I need a thingy. Right, like that. Okay, now let's cover these up. And then we leave that like that for a very long time. No, we're gonna leave this for like a couple minutes. I'm gonna go let my phone charge a little bit. And I guess I'll be back in a minute to check on it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we are going to go get the steak off the grill. I'm gonna leave the veggies on there a little bit longer, but yeah, let's go grab the steak real quick. Oh my god, it smells so good. We had to move the grill a little bit closer. Let's set our plate right here. Oh my goodness. I guess it's cooked all the way through, yeah. Oh, look at them bad boys. Look at them. Oh my god. Let's take our veggie thing. Let's turn it over. The bottom of it get good and cooked, and we'll leave this on a little bit longer. Take these in, cover them up, and let them rest. Let's do a grand reveal real quick of the veggies, because I'm very curious to see how they turned out. Wow! Oh, it smells so good. Hold on, let me show you guys. Okay, this is the veggies. Look at them veggies. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Look at that dill. You can see the dill and the asparagus and the onions. I don't see any bell pepper. It's probably more towards the bottom. Let's get this stirred up a little bit. Yeah, there's the seasoning and stuff. Yeah, there it all is. Let's try one of these just to see. There's one right here so we can try it. It needs salt, but it's very good. Okay, so I have a plan. We're gonna pull some of this out and lay it on the grill. I've already pulled out one. I'm gonna carry it out to the grill. God, it's so dark you can't even see one. There we go. toasty. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea or not, but we shall see. So let's cover this up and let that sit for a second. Put some potatoes on the plate, potatoes on the plate.
Eyes glow like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her prey. Like stars in the darkest night, crystallize, fascinate. If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize, 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 watching her prey. Crystallize, 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 fascinate.
There we have it, guys. Grilled steak dinner. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I grilled some steak, made some mashed potatoes, and made some veggies, and I grilled it all, and it's gonna taste really freaking good. Catch me next week for my next video, and I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
You wanna